Hey, what if somebody stopped and asked you, can you ride on two boats at a time? Maybe you would have said, not possible. Think about it. Yeah, probably you can take the first boat and go to some distance, making sure the second boat is also traveling the same direction. Then you're going to hop onto another one and move on. And that's the way you can get onto two boats traveling at the same time. Hey, welcome to E-Consulting Business Podcast. I'm Vishwamon, your host, and today we are going to dive into a topic that hits close to home, balancing full-time work and online consulting. Let's dive in. In the world that constantly demands our attention, balancing a full-time job and online consulting business is like walking on a tightrope. It requires a delicate balance, laser-like focus, and ability to keep both the worlds separate. Why is it so crucial? Well, think about it this way. When you are at full-time job, your employer deserves full attention. Likewise, when you are working on your online consulting business, your clients deserve your dedication. Mixing the two can lead to chaos and burnout. It's like recipe for disaster. So why is it important to maintain the balance and keep your professional side and the side gig separate? Here is the tip. Number one, focus matters. Keeping your full-time job and online consulting separate ensures that you give undivided attention to each. This focus is crucial for excelling in both the areas. Second, productivity rule. Maintain the boundary between the work and the side gig leads to increased productivity. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you're fully engaged on one task at a hand. Third, client trust. Clients want to know that you have full attention when they hire you. By keeping your worlds apart, you build trust and reliability. Now that we have established why is it important, let's explore the six strategies that you should master the art of juggling full-time work and online consulting. Number one strategy is define your clear boundaries. Set strict boundaries between the full-time job and your consulting business. Designate specific hours for each day and stick to them religiously. When you are at work, be at work. When you're consulting, be consulting. Strategy two is prioritizing your task. Identify your most critical tasks in both the roles, prioritize them, tackle them first. That way, you are always addressing the most pressing matters without feeling overwhelmed. Strategy three, time blocking. Adopt time blocking techniques, allocate chunks of your day to specific tasks. This method ensures that you allocate sufficient time and focus on each role. Strategy 4, efficient time management. Use time management tools and apps to streamline your daily activities. Tools like calendars, to-do lists, project management apps can be a lifesaver. Strategy 5 is saying no when necessary. Don't overcome it. Don't overload your back with your mouth. That's what Jim Rohn has said. If taking one or more clients' additional project will strain your full-time job, it's okay to say no. Your sanity and balance are worth it. Strategy 6, self-care matters. Lastly, prioritize self-care. Don't get burned out. Burning out is your enemy of balance. Ensure you have downtime to recharge and never compromise in your sleep and personal well-being. If you're a working professional struggling to balance your full-time job and online consulting business, or any of the side gig that you have aspired for, you're not alone. Many face this challenge, and it's precisely why I'm excited to introduce to you my upcoming Entrepreneur Consulting Masterclass. In this masterclass, you will learn the art of work-life balance, personal productivity, will delve into the strategies to maximize your weekends and weekdays, and all while working towards your financial freedom you're earning for. This is the golden opportunity to take control of your life, and I'd like to see you on board. This is Vishwamon, your host on E-Consulting Business Podcast. Remember, balance isn't luxury, it's necessity. If you have any question or topics that you would like to discuss and cover in future episodes, do reach out anytime. Until next time, may your balance be your strength. Signing off, Vishwamon. Take care. Bye-bye.